everyone, how are you guys? Welcome to today's video. We are stuffing our sinking funds for the month of June. I usually have this video up a lot earlier, but yeah, life has been so crazy lately. But anyway, nonetheless, we are here and we are going to be stuffing $725 today. So let's organize this money. As I do this, if you guys could please subscribe to my channel if you enjoy these videos. I also have another like planning slash budgeting channel. I will link it down below. I'm still debating where I should post these videos. For now, I'm going to continue to post them here on this channel, but yeah, that might change. I'm not quite sure yet. Let me move these over. I didn't realize I didn't have any fives, so we will just leave it like that. Hope that is okay. We're just gonna get into it. If you guys are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. And these binders are from Amazon. My little envelopes are from Amazon, and then the actual labels I made myself. I have a whole video on them. Check out my budgeting playlist. Okay, let's jump into it. So actually, you know what? Let's go back to May and show you guys what happened in May really quick. So not too much happened in May, but we did pull out some money out of our sinking fund. So this is my transaction log right here. So on the 16th, I did purchase new bedding. So that $500 came out and went back into the bank to pay off my credit card. And then on the 22nd, I did spend $100 from my special occasion envelope or sinking fund for my friend's birthday and Mother's Day. So that's all that happened in May. So our sinking funds are starting off with $600 less for June. But all right, let's flip back here to June and get started. So first things first is travel. We are putting $100 in travel. You guys know that's what we always put into travel. So we should have $880. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 800, 850, 70, 80. 880 in travel, which is building up nicely. I'm not sure if I mentioned this yet on my channel, but I do have a trip to Mexico at the middle of June. So that money will probably be spent in Mexico, whatever's in here, and then whatever other trips I have. I think I have one more trip this year planned, and we'll see if we plan some more. But it's bulking up nicely with $880. I'm really excited. Okay, emergency. We are adding $100 to emergency as well. So we'll add that there. So we should have $370. So we have 100, 50, 250, 350, 360, 370 in emergency. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, then you guys know I had a pretty rough weekend. My car is not doing too well. You guys know my car maintenance envelope always fluctuates, and that's mainly because I have an older car, so I need to, you know, fix it quite often. And this weekend might have been, I don't know, I'm still waiting on the call from my mechanic, but so after this weekend, it might be the time to say goodbye to my car. So we will see what happens. I'm trying to prepare myself mentally and financially if I do have to buy a new car. But that's a whole other story. I will keep you guys posted. So hopefully, I mean, I might have to pull out of my emergency fund just to, like, I don't know. I really don't know, you guys. I'm just going to leave it at that because I've been stressed out about it all weekend. Okay. Medical, we're just adding 20 because I don't know, we just haven't really dipped into this, and just gonna slowly stuff this sinking fund. So we have 1, 2, 350, 450, 470, 480. Okay, 480 in medical. So let's write that down. 480. Car maintenance. The lovely car maintenance envelope. I'm stuffing $150 today. into my car maintenance, and honestly this is going to be spent in June. I already know it. It's basically already spent. I just haven't pulled it out yet. So 100, 200, 50, 300, and $5. So $305 in car maintenance, which again, this will be empty by the next sinking funds video in July. So, which is fine. It is what it is. I don't want to get mad about it. I'm just going to move on and hope for better things. Okay, special occasions. We are adding $50 to special occasions. I have a lot of birthdays in the summertime. So, yeah, so we have $50, $70, $80 in special occasions. Again, I spent some last month in May for my friend's birthday, but we're just gonna try to slowly build it back up. $80. Okay, Christmas is we're upping it to $30. So I was doing $20 a month. Now, since we are like halfway through the year, I'm going to do $30 a month. So 20, 30. Okay. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 30. So 130 in Christmas. So that is my purple binder. And now we're going to move on to my mint green binder for the rest of my sinking funds. Okay, let's see what we have. Family. We're doing $20 in family. 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230 in family. Okay. What did I say? 230. All right. Next we have home. As you guys saw in the first part of this video, I depleted my entire home envelope, so there's nothing in here because I purchased my bedding for $500. So we're just gonna start back with $20 in home. Okay. Again, I don't really, you know, need anything right now for my apartment. The only thing I really wanted was my bedding, and I got it, which is the best thing about sinking funds. Like, once you finally reach your goal and you can get what you want, it feels amazing. So don't really need anything now, but we're just gonna keep saving just in case. All right, birthday is just getting $20. Again, just slowly building this up. So we have 20, 40, 60, $80 in birthday. Okay, next envelope is Greece. Oh, I just love this envelope. This is probably the biggest envelope, one of the biggest ones we have. And Greece always gets $100. And yeah, I have a little over a year to keep saving. So I think $100 a month is pretty solid. I think that's what I'm just going to keep doing for another year or so. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700, 50, 800, 8, 20, 40, 50. So $850 in Greece. Super excited. Let's write that in, $850. Okay. Let's see. The next one, equipment. All right. This is the envelope that confuses me very often because I started this envelope because I obviously wanted to get a new camera and new lighting and stuff like that for filming. And now that I possibly need to get a new car, I'm thinking about changing this envelope, like literally just changing the label of it to like a new car or like car payment or something like that, because yeah, I just haven't been stuffing this envelope, and it has what, $480 in it, and it's just kind of sitting there. It doesn't really have a purpose because yes, I wanted a new camera, but now I'm kind of like, I don't need one right now. So I'm just a little confused. What do you guys think I should do? Should I keep this envelope as equipment and just like let it sit here, or should I put it towards something that is very important if I do need a new car? So let me know down in the comments if I should just change this to new car, because there's almost $500 in here. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see what happens with that. All right, beauty is, oh, giving. We're doing $5 for giving. 1, 2, 3. Why is there only 4? Hold on. Oh, okay. It was stuck in the envelope. $5 for giving. All right, so that's actually gonna go into my actual wallet, just in case I bump into someone that needs, that's in need. And then beauty is the last one, and I'm doing $110 in beauty, you guys, because I am getting my hair cut and colored, and that costs quite a bit of money. So this should be $110. 20, 40, 60, 81, 10. Perfect. So that's gonna go into beauty, and let's just add everything up. Okay. So 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 200, 210, 20, $230. I honestly, getting my hair cut and colored, it's probably gonna be a little over $300. So $230 right now is pretty good. All right, so that is pretty much it, and I'm going to leave all the totals here on the screen. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's sinking funds video. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed, and yeah, follow me on Instagram if you want to keep up with me personally. Again, I do have a second channel, and I'm still confused on what I want to do with it, but please subscribe to that if you enjoy my content. I'm uploading different videos on that channel. So, hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!